So good afternoon once again, everybody. And today activity class, Saturday activity club, we call it. So we study for 2 days, and the third day we indulge into some activity, which is important also because it will give you the art and science of public speaking. You cannot be perfect in a day or two, but then you can try, and every time that you try, you will be a shade better. If you have been participating in all the classes in presenting or questioning or answering, then naturally you will be one up. It means you will be in an advantageous position. So the topic for today, as per the talk time syllabus, the planning, the lesson plan was about human emotions. So, above all, happiness is one human emotion, which is the highest form. Happiness is something which you have to be happy about. And happy events, happy hours are remembered maybe throughout our life. Like if I look back on my on the happy moments at school or my life, when I get back to those events, when I get back to those days, that makes me feel happy. Even if I am in a bad mood or a gloomy, sad mood, the moment I start thinking about those happy moments, it brings on a smile, and it makes you feel good. Like you remember the first time when your teacher appreciated you or said, "Yes, very good." The moment, the day you got a prize or gift from school, the day when your parents were really very happy because you got good grades, right? You were appreciated, or anything which happens, which has happened in the past, that has made you feel good. So today's topic is the unforgettable moments in my life, highlighting happiest moments in my life so far. So there are going to be loads and loads and loads and loads of happy moments in your life. But up till now, what can you record as when you look back down memory lane? What is one thing? What is one event that makes you feel good? So, the speech class starts today in a moment. Time given 2 minutes, 2 minutes, not less than 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Like happiness, define the term happiness. What is happiness?
When you hear good news.
No, I'm not asking you the question. I'm asking you how will you lay out this speech? Define happiness. Happiness is a state of mind. It makes you feel good. It can be any definition. Create your own definition. So that was what is
And we
happiness.
can also say happiness is the not benchmark of success.
That Sanjali, when it comes to your time, you can start speaking. Right now,
Okay.
I'm speaking. So, what is happiness? So, according to me, happiness is a state of mind. You can be happy in an adverse situation also. If the state of mind is calm and cool, even when you're tensed up, even when you're worked up, if you decide nothing can pull me down, nothing can take me down, if you are a very positive person, like, okay, I'll remain happy in whatever situation there is. If I promise myself I will never be let down by anything. And I would like to create happiness for others around me, for myself also. So define happiness. What is happiness? What? Why do people feel happy? There can be 1001 reasons what really makes you happy. If you make it a habit to be happy, you will find happiness in every petty matters, small things. Like when a small child whom you do not even know, when the child smiles at you, that will make you happy. You learn something new, you'll be happy. So why? The what, the why. When are people happy? People are happy when they see things the way they want to see. When things come expectedly, like, yeah, you wanted this to happen and this happened. Like you were waiting for your friend's call and the call came, expecting, and that happens. What, when, why? How can you be happy? What, when, how? 5 W's and 1 H. Where can you be happy? You can be happy with yourself also. You can be happy at home. There's no place like home. So the moment you reach home, you'll be happy. But this does not mean that you will be sad when you're outside. You have to create that environment. A fun loving person will always be at home anywhere. He'll make himself or herself comfortable. Place does not matter. But where you are happiest the most, how, what, when, where, why? So deal the 5 W's. As I said, when you're making a speech, include the 5 W's and 1 H. How can people be happy? People can be happy by just being good, isn't it? If you're good, if you have helped out your mother, if you're not feeling well, still you put on a smile, that is happiness. Right? That will make you happy. Have you ever realized smiling can make people happy? Right? So deal the 5 W's and 1 H in your presentation, whether it's happiness or whether it is leadership skills or whether it's accounts. The 5 W's and 1 H can be used in any kind of speech given to you. And now I would like to invite the first participant to present his speech. Is Manish Kumar Rolmachen.
Ma'am, I haven't prepared, so I can't express.
Still you have to speak. Still you have to speak. Your happiest moment. What is that?
My, okay, ma'am. My happiest moment in my life when I am.
First of all, you define happiness, the what, why, when, how, where. I just gave you a presentation. you were listening, it can be easy for you. Hello? So according to you,
Yes, ma'am.
Manish, what is happiness?
Happiness is a feeling which can, where a man feel satisfied and more glad. Uh, he can do. He has a power. He can do everything.
Yes, yes, continue. So give us an account. So what was the happiest moment in your life?
Happiest moment in my life when I am going a wonderful palace and I saw when I'm going a picnic and I am so
You are
there
giving an
a lot
account of some past event or incidents. So it will be in the past tense, no? So my happiest moment came that day when I was going to a place. Continue with that. You're talking about a past event, no?
yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. When मैम स्ट्रेस पहले कर लेगा उसके बाद है ना.
Manish, this is the second time where you have failed in your speech. Now give me the reason why you're not prepared.
Ma'am, a lot of work because uh, some few days my cousin grandfather is dead and उसका सर नॉकेस मैडम कल ही हुआ था इसलिए बहुत सारा काम हुआ था.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं.
गए थे सामान लाने के लिए.
Okay. So you could have told me, na? You could have told me beforehand. You could have written an application and told me, ma'am, I will not be able to prepare, make the speech today because of this, this, this. So it's a lot of time wasted, no, Manish. So next time you please give an application.
Okay ma'am.
And now we
Ma'am, I
have
will try to do.
Sanjali Shreya.
Happiness, a state of well-being and contentment, and a pleasurable or satisfying experience. We consider happiness what, when, by the word what, when, why, and how. And where can we be happy and how can people be happy? When I was starting preparation for the law entrance exam after class 12th from BSCB, that is CLAT, Common Admission Test, but I appeared in the examination and got a score just 1 mark less than cutoff. And I just regret about it. And the happiest moment that was, my father said, opportunity will never come again and again. And we should have to grab it and enhance your capability or skills and improve it.
You should have to.
Either we
You should do it or you have to do it. Use either
you
should
should
or have to. You cannot use both at the same time.
you should do it.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And either you learn or won. And my happiest moment also was that I just won the prize in the top 10 category of in the district level competitive examination CYI, choose your ideal competition, that is held by district collector. And I had the happiness of also seeing you, and after experiencing a strike of happiness, of expression, and happy events may temporarily make people happy and more satisfied, and That's it, ma'am.
Develop your content, Sanjali. This was very short, and though you spoke, but then the content has to be rich. Speak more, prepare more. Preparation counts.
It can
Prepare.
all it can be larger than that. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, content should be rich,
Could be. Okay.
and it should be coherent. Link one sentence with the other. Right? Coherence counts. Link counts. One word.
Ma'am,
If you're
we can
making,
also include general principle of happiness.
yes, you can. There has to be a story, Sanjali. The big
Okay, ma'am.
opening line, the introducing the topic.
In the previous
Create a
past
story,
memories.
beginning, the middle part, and the conclusion.
Okay, ma'am.
Always start strongly and end on a very positive note. There are
Okay, ma'am.
so many quotes on happiness.
Okay, ma'am.
Use them, learn them.
My Zoe knew no girl that is younger or similar age of me and who happened to my old classmate, and it was a day to a great joy and happiness, and not only did I seize the second position but also did a brave and noble act by saving a girl from the jaws of death. And this day would go down as one of the happiest moment or days of my life.
Okay.
And the last one is keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the grounds. That means, ma'am, to always aspire to do more and but never lose track of who you are throughout your journey.
Okay. You have got the content. Now arrange. And finally, I would like to conclude with the following words. Arrange it. Now you have the content. Yes, next. Khushi?
Yes, ma'am. May I start, ma'am?
Yeah, start.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my all friends. I got the golden opportunity to talk about my most happiest moment in my life. In past, if I remember my past experience and my past incident, then till now, my most happiest moment in my life is when my 12th result declared. I got 85% in my 12th class, and it doesn't matter more, but it mattered that I got 94% in my economics subjects, and economics is my favorite subject. After coming after uh, before studying my 12th class, it's not my favorite subject, because after meeting my economics teacher in Chartered Commerce, he is his name was his name is Abhijit sir, and after meeting him, after taught by him the technical style and the style that and the way that he used to taught us, after meeting him, economics has become my favorite subject. I got 94 marks in economics, and when I knew that the marks is declared, I'm very excited to know how many marks I get in my examination. My friends call me on that day in the evening on the midnight at 12:30, and she just said that, Khushi, marks is declared of 12th class, and how many marks do you get? I'm so excited, and I'm just check my online. I'm just check my marks in my mobile, and there is also a lockdown on 25th March 2020. That was the day, and I am just talk to my maternal uncle and just say that check my marks immediately, because I'm so excited to know about how many marks I get. and he just check and just tell me you got 85%, and he's just tell me that you got 94% in economics and 88% in business studies and 81% in accounts, and what is the marks is there. And after that, I'm not I can't wait to tell my teachers that I got 18. I can't wait. I can't wait to tell my friends, colleagues. Um, on 26th March in morning, I'm just I just say to my friends and just say to my teachers, all my friends and all my teachers encourage me, appreciate me for this, and just saying that. And my teacher always says that if you are more study, then you get more doubts. If there is no study, you will not get no doubts. And so it is my most happiest moments in my life till now. And after sometimes I know that the most happiest moments, another incident happened with me, and it will be become for me that most happiest moment. But till now, this on that day is most happiest moment in my life. And by concluding this, I just say that my parents and my teachers encourage me, appreciate me that yes, you can do better in your life, and you can achieve success in your life after working hard and after doing better and better. And just okay, ma'am, after concluding, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Khushbu, that was good, Khushbu. And now we have Vivek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, continue. Hello, Vivek. Vivek.
Yes, ma'am. ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोलूँगा मैम, पर जितना बोल सकते हैं.
Hello.
हेलो.
Yes,
Hello.
continue.
आवाज आ रही है मैम?
हाँ.
मैम ये बोल रहे थे कि ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोलेंगे, बट जितना लिखा हुआ है तो बोल सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
आप लोग प्रिपेयर कर पाया करिए, बार बार हम ये बात बोल रहे हैं. सीरियस नहीं
I
है.
am always happy, but I was the happiness in my life when I had my 16th birthday, because my friend gave me a gift that I liked very much. बस इतना ही है.
This is bad. You were asked to make a presentation.
Yes, sir.
So what marks will I give you on 10? If you are not serious, I will not be very serious in giving marks. I'll give you as per your performance. Roll number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
Firstly, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
To
afternoon.
give me this opportunity for this presentation, most happiness moment in my life. I firstly tell about what is happiness. Happiness is that feeling which comes over you, but which you know life is good. Life is good and you can't help but smile. Happiness is a true state of mind. So I find happiness.
My good voice is not coming.
Hello, continue.
Why is not, ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
I find happiness in very small things of my life. but there are some moments in my life that bring a smile to my face. When I remember, then I can say that there will a moment in my life I will telling you about of one of the moment of my life. I feel very
I
enumerate.
will tell you about. I will speak about. I will tell you. I will be telling you.
I will be telling you
Yeah.
about one of the happiest moments of my life. I feel very nice to enumerate this moment of my life. I was studying in class 10th. It was announced at our school that a district level competition of quiz and poster presentation. It will be involving several school participants. The notice regarding participants of the school in the competition were distributed in every class. I was very excited to participate in that poster presentation. I enroll my name for competition. When I am also selected for that competition of my group school, every team member presented their innovative ideas on that topic. Lastly, after summing of these ideas, I have prepared the posters. We have my team and me and my team had prepared three posters about uh, about the development of Bihar and women empowerment of Bihar and uh, village area of Bihar
Mhm.
poster. We needed a lot of effort to make our presentation best on. Then, then on the competition day, we arrived that ground floor. We were a little nervous too. But then my team presenting our presentation, our poster presentation, we performed best. And finally, competition was over and results were declared. It was started announced of third winner prize. My heart is sinking down, and finally, I would not believe that when it was announced that our school bagged first prize. We were dancing with joy. I was very happy to make a school proud. Moreover, I was happy because the idea of presentation was my own. The overwhelming joy of moment can't be expressed in that time. So that was the happiest moment of my life. So so this is called a more effort, more strength, and big powerful effort will give you definitely success. Thank you, ma'am.
My that was a very good speech. And yes, people, students are active. Students are vibrant to learn. Students are learning. Students are practicing, preparing, and you're all preparing for the future. Otherwise, Mahi, that was really good. Yes, now we have Suyash.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Uh, First of all, what is happiness? Happiness is a state where a person is full of joy. And in my life, the happiest moment, that means the happiest moment in my life, there are there are several happy moments in my life for me. But the most happiest moment in my life was the football match which I played during my 10th class. It was the best match we played. It was the best match we played at that time. For the 90 minutes, we all were panting, gasping, but we all wanted to win. In the first leg, it means that the first half, we conceded 4 goals, and in the second leg, they conceded 4 goals against us. For the remaining time, we all were trying to beat each other till the last minute. But in the end, it was considered tie. Then we all decided to decide the winner of the match. Let's have a penalty shootout. In the penalty shootout, our team and our opponents both scored 5 out of 5 goals. And then again the tension was rising. Uh, who will win the match? Then again a penalty shootout was done, and in that in that shootout, opponent team scored 4 goals out of 5, and we scored 5 goals, and we were able to win. The happiest moment in this match for me was was that in the first leg I scored 4 goals and 1 in the shootout. That's all. Thank you.
So yes, always conclude your presentation. Prepare the audience that you are going to finish it. Wrapping it up is very important. And
So,
finally, I would like to say that there should be use the beautiful quote about happiness. So, how interesting can you make a story?
yes, ma'am.
So, when your story becomes interesting, naturally you will be the winner.
Okay.
Right? Is there anybody else? So, let me mark out today's presentation. And yeah, Mahi was very good. So, I think Mahi got the highest of grades, and then Kushi and um Suyash, they got the equal marks. But all three of you presented well. Though Kushi went on with her presentation, and which was interesting. Now, how you are graded? If your story is interesting, people listen attentively. If you are enjoying your speech, like in a way, I felt Kushi enjoying her speech. I felt Suyash enjoying the jubilant feeling that yes, we won the match and everything that went with it. And Mahi also, she spoke about her achievements and how her tone was highlighted. The happiness was still seen, though it happened some time back, but it was still present in her tone, and showed how much happy she was, and how much happy she is now when she's recollecting, when she's thinking about those wonderful times, the times when you were really happy. And for the rest of you, yes, you have tried, but then Vivek and Sanjali and Manish, of course, there is always the next time. But do not make this a habit.
Ma'am, I tried.
Huh?
Ma'am, I just tried only.
Yeah, you tried, and then I said, when I said there needs to be, it needed to be, it needed preparation. So when you said that's it, I said add on something because this was a very small speech, like, and do not always wait for the next time. Succeed the first time. People who are very focused, they succeed the first time only. Why? Because they have worked a lot. They have done their classwork, they have done their homework, they have analyzed the pros and the cons. They have worked it out. So they succeed the first time only. But people who are wait, okay, if not this time, it may be next time. Yes, definitely there will always be next time. But why not now? Others are doing it in your class. And yes, Mahi, I'm not saying you did not try. Of course you tried. But comparatively,
Ma'am, ma'am, you spoke of pros and cons. I heard many times pros and cons, but I did not. What's meaning about this word pro and cons? I heard very times,
okay,
but
pros,
did not.
Advantage and
advantages,
disadvantage.
disadvantages. What is the pros and cons?
Disadvantages.
The advantages, disadvantages of written communication, the pros and cons,
Merits and demerits.
merits and demerits. Right. Okay, then that's it for today.
Yes, ma'am.
stay back for your attendance. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay back for your attendance, I said.
Okay.
And yes, you all are improving. Like I've been listening to you for the past 1 month. Students are really improving. Everybody has moved up. It's not that some have moved up, some have not. Everybody has improved. All right, roll number 1, 2, 3,
Present, ma'am.
cancel. 1 minute. 3 is present, Mahima. Roll number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
9, 10,
Yes, ma'am.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
20.
I'm 19 present.
Yeah, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 'Anjali, your roll number is 30, no?
Yes, ma'am.
24, और कौन कौन प्रेजेंट है बता दो.
Ma'am, 32.
32 and 30 and 32, no?
Yes.
32. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you just considered in the both who spoke less, but I spoke more than that. That's what.
Yes, but it was not coherent, no? You spoke, but it was not coherent. So when I told you speak some more, then you spoke.
Ma'am, I was just written 2 Ks
No,
and I spoke.
Sanjali, you will
But it,
write a story. It should be like a story. The beginning, the body, and the ending. So people should not.
it totally depends on you, ma'am, how you consider it.
Yeah.
But it totally depends on you, ma'am. How
No,
you
it does not depend on
mention
me.
that.
So you finished and you said that's it. So I said kuch aur bolo. Say speak something else. It should be content should be rich, no? Then you added on something. It should come from your side. And it looks like it was not. Had you prepared it? तो तुम एक फ्लो में बोलती कि हमको ये पॉइंट्स बोलना है, ये 10 पॉइंट्स हमको ये डील करना है. Why preparation is very important. This is the reason why preparation is important. You know what to say, when to say, you know how to start, you know how to end. एक कहानी की तरह होता है ना. Every speech is like a story.